Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to use templates folder in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. So let me open the file browser. So here under home directory you can see that folder templates. So what is the use of this folder? So if you have any repeated content or reusable content, okay, so suppose I'm going to create one Java file. So every class file will have public static void main method. Okay, so every file I need to type public static void main. So instead of our typing each and every time, I am creating one file called template file. Okay, so those template files should be created under templates directory. So here I am creating one class file. Okay, it's not a class file actually, text file with some Java reusable code. Okay, so I am typing public static void main string arg. So I don't want to type this public static void main each and every time. So for that purpose I am creating one Java template file. Save it. So you can see that the Java template file is got created. So now come out of the directory, just right click, new document. So you can see that the Java template file which I have created appearing in context menu. Click that one, you can see that the file is got created. Now I am going to rename this file as Java file. Okay, now open with text editor. You can see the public static void main is already there. No, I am not going to type public static void main, just change the class name. If you want to add any additional content to that file means I will add the content. That's it. So I'm showing very simple example only. This scenario can be used for multiple types of document like Word document or something like where you use the reusable content or reusable code. So another scenario I am showing. So now I will show for HTML document. Okay, so I am creating an HTML template. So in HTML we will using HTML tag and body tag. So I am showing only very simple example. You can make use of this. Especially this video will be useful for developers. Repeated code or repeated lines in the script, you can create as a template file. So I have created the HTML template. Now what I am going to do, come out of the directory, right click, new document. You can see that HTML template is created. Click that one. Okay, now I will rename this HTML file, sorry, template file to HTML file. Yes, now I will edit and I will add the additional content. Yes, that's it. So this is the major use of templates folder in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. Make use of that. So this will be useful for repeated content or reusable content or reusable code.